Welcome to the Christmas Commission Bundle of 2021, bringing together a massive collection of awesome products. So to set up the products, you'll see in the left-hand side menu, it says registration. All you're going to need to do is click on that button, and this is going to bring up the page where you're going to see access to all the products. So you're going to see this drop-down menu here, where you're going to be able to select any one of these. Then this is going to load up a sign up page for you to sign up for those products. And then you can see in the top right hand corner, there is the link that you can go to log in, and you are ready to go. And you can do that with all of the products in the bundle. Now, if you need any further advice and help with the bundle, you can go down to the help button here and communicate with us. Now, if you need any help and assistance with the individual products, what you'll notice is that all the products have a similar menu. And within the menus, you will see tutorials, you will see help, you will see upgrades, you'll see upgrade membership, all these similar menu items. So if it's an issue with a specific product, you need further help getting it started, go into those products and check out in the first step, go to the tutorial section and watch the videos, because each individual product will have a number of videos that will show exactly how to get started. So make sure that you check out the tutorial videos for each individual product to help you get started with them individually. Okay, obviously there is the upgrade section here, but also the help section. So don't be afraid to utilize these features. Good luck. Merry Christmas.